What starts as a simple public urination call quickly spirals out of control. The officer confronts a man who's not only caught in the act, but holding a baseball bat, instantly raising the stakes. This isn't just a minor offense anymore. It's a high-risk encounter. Will the officer's commands be enough? Or is this situation about to explode? Watch closely because body language and compliance are everything in this kind of standoff.
I also saw you with your pants down, and it looks like you pissed right now.
I had to piss my pants down.
I understand that.
I've been walking all day.
You can't do that out in public, right on the public street.
What am I supposed to do?
Huh?
What am I supposed to do?
Go to a public bathroom.
I was walking, I ain't in the car.
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you. I need you to set that bat down. I'm not going to take it away from you, but I need you to set that bat down. Huh?
Why?
Because I'm going to detain you.
Why?
I just told you.
What did I do?
I just told you.
What?
You were urinating
I didn't
out on
urinate.
Prospect.
How did I urinate?
Someone saw that, and as soon as I pulled up here, I literally saw you with your pants down,
walking all day. I pissed
and I saw your
pissed
penis
in
out,
my pants.
and you were pissing right here.
I pissed in my pants though.
How would you piss in your pants if your penis was out?
Because I had to take it out. I had to piss real bad and walking all day.
Doesn't matter. I need to get your information. I need you to have that bat down.
I had to piss.
I understand that.
For what?
I'm not going to take that bat away from you,
What
but I
do you
need you
need?
to set it down.
What do you need from me?
I want you to stand up, set the bat down, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
I already told you.
I didn't do shit. I'm just sitting here in the shade, bro. I'm standing in the shade.
I already told you.
What did I do?
I'm not
though?
going to tell you again.
What did I do?
I already told you.
What did I do?
I want you to set that bat
What did I
down.
do?
I want you to set
Shot truck. Police, stop! Show me your hands.
Here's where the tension hits a breaking point. The suspect refuses repeated commands, clutching the bat, and the officer shifts tactics, dropping verbal persuasion and moving toward force readiness. Notice how quickly the tone changes. This is a real lesson in escalation. Do you wait longer and risk serious injury, or act decisively and risk public criticism? What do you think? Was the officer showing patience or losing control of the scene?
Show me your hands. What did I do? What am I doing?
See anything else?
Fuck, man.
There's maximum 1 prep 1, 1721. You're behind where?
Fucking wrong with that damn fucking bag.
Are you sticking out?
Stop
Stop
moving,
moving around, man. All right, get out. Jesus Christ.
We have a co-medic.
Are you able to get yourself up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on.
How are we going to be able to get you up?
Lift me up.
Lift you up like that?
Lenoke and Prospect.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right, just get him sitting on right here.
Stay with me. Come on.
Hey. Hey,
Stay with me.
snap out of it.
Stay with me.
I'm trying to have him stand up. He's got like a broken elbow. Ambulance? Yeah, we got code 1. If you could just guide him this way, because we can't get him moved.
Got a code 1 ambulance on the way.
Are you okay?
Hit me all on my fucking right arm.
At least get him on the right side.
1801, I'll be right with you till I get there. 1801.
Fuck. What's going on here?
Now we're seeing the medicine here. I don't have his information. Urinate in the middle of prospect.
By the end, we see the outcome of non-compliance. Both the officer and suspect are injured. The baseball bat is secured, and paramedics are called. What began as a low-level offense turned into a violent confrontation within minutes.
Sit down.
Fucking arm hurt. You fucking hit me with the damn bat.
You hit you with the bat? Where at?
On my fucking arm.
We're sorry. You're good to go.
Roscoe.
Don't need any more cars for faster.
Huh? Yeah. Okay.
Fucking no. Yeah. Where? Where's that bat?
Right here. Right there.
Bat is here. He hit me with the bat twice, pulled my gun.
You all right?
The fucking arm hurts.
You sick? You need to go down to the hospital.
It's a stark reminder of how fast routine policing can shift into danger. So, did the officer handle this correctly, or could it have been avoided? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this breakdown eye-opening, smash that like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more raw body cam analysis right here.